Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Xbox account and confirming Xbox Live Gold or Game Pass is active so online features work. Once done, install Project Flight from the store and verify you have roughly 20+ GB free. This avoids mid-install failures. Make sure your controller and any headset are plugged in, then update the console system if prompted, because patches fix multiplayer and input issues. After updates finish, launch the game to reach the main menu and proceed to Profile Setup. Once at the main menu, go straight to Controls and map throttle, yaw, pitch, and camera so your inputs feel intuitive. You want consistent muscle memory. Next, adjust difficulty and flight assists. Reduce assists gradually as you learn to keep challenge manageable while improving. Then create or link your in-game profile and enable cloud save sync so progress carries across devices. Doing these steps prevents lost progress and avoids frustrating control surprises during your first real flight. Now jump into the tutorial mission and practice basic takeoffs, turns, and landings. This builds the essential feel for controls. Once comfortable, move to a casual server or offline free flight to test maneuvers and settings without pressure. If you encounter crashes or connection issues, try clearing the Xbox cache, reinstalling the game, and checking NAT status and required ports. These steps resolve most problems. Finally, make incremental changes to settings rather than big jumps so you can identify what improves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.